Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Snapchat activity log. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up your Snapchat, go to the top left to open up your profile, and then top right on the gear selector thing. Once you are here, you want to scroll down until you see my data. As you can see, my data is right over here. You want to click on that, and you want to log in to Snapchat. Once you log in, you will have all of these different data available for download. So you can include your memories, chat media, shared stories, export it in HTML files. And then from there you can select all of these things below, like user information, clear history, spotlight, shopping. Then what you want to do is just click on next, select the time period you want to download the data for, then click submit. You will get it to your email, and there you can check all of your activity logs and stuff like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.